Tea is the most consumed beverage in the world behind water. However, 78% of the tea consumed worldwide is black and only about 20% is green. Green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. Green tea has been used by the Chinese for treating minor headaches to much larger matters such as preventing cancer. With the exception of herbal tea products, all teas are brewed from the dried leaves of the Camellia sinensis bush. The level of oxidation of the leaves determines the type of tea. Green tea, on the other hand, is made from unoxidized leaves and is one of the less processed types of tea. It therefore contains the most antioxidants and beneficial polyphenols. Many health studies are beginning to shine some light on the facets and benefits of green tea. It is true that green tea has powerful health benefits? The following are 5 major benefits of green tea that may substantially change your life. But before we get into these green tea benefits, be sure to subscribe so that you'll never miss our informative videos. Prevention of cancer. The polyphenols in green tea prevent the birth of abnormal cells, inflammation, and destroy most cancer-causing agents. Research shows that women who drank the most green tea had a 20 to 30% lower risk of developing breast cancer, the most common cancer in women. One study found that men drinking green tea had a 48% lower risk of developing prostate cancer, which is the most common cancer in men over 30. The antioxidants in green tea eliminate free radicals that plague the body. These free radicals cause aging and cancer. The polyphenols of green tea constantly search for free radicals and they prevent the formation of unstable oxygen molecules in a process known as oxidation. This oxidation damages healthy cells of the body and have been linked to illnesses like cancer, heart disease, and even strokes. Bladder, ovarian, colorectal, bowel, esophageal, throat, lungs, skin, stomach. Increases fat burning and improves physical performance. Weight loss. The high concentration of polyphenols in green tea helps to oxidize fat and encourage thermogenesis. Thermogenesis in the body is the rate which the body burns calories. In one study in 10 healthy men, green tea increased energy expenditure by 4%. Green tea results in an increase of energy which raises the metabolism, therefore, more weight is lost than normal. Another study showed that fat oxidation was increased by 17%, indicating that green tea may selectively increase the burning of fat. As a morning beverage, green tea has a small amount of calories compared to most other beverages that Americans drink in the morning. A substitution of green tea instead of reaching for a cup of joe will make a big difference in the size of your waistline. Kills oral bacteria. For dental health. Green tea is well known for keeping teeth clean because of one of its ingredients, fluoride. The fluoride kills the bacteria in the mouth that causes plaque. Also, fluoride helps to maintain healthy, cavity-free teeth. The catechins in green tea also have other biological effects. Some studies show that they can kill bacteria and inhibit viruses like the influenza virus, potentially lowering your risk of infection. Streptococcus mutans is the primary harmful bacteria in the mouth. It causes plaque formation and is a leading contributor to cavities and tooth decay. This helps to prevent general tooth decay inside of the mouth. This isn't the case with coffee, which stains the teeth with an ugly yellow tinge. The oral health of teeth can be vastly improved with the consumption of green tea. Multiple studies also show that green tea can reduce bad breath. Inflammatory skin diseases. A 2007 study concluded that green tea could hold promise as a new treatment for skin disorders such as psoriasis and dandruff. Researchers studied an animal model for inflammatory skin diseases, often characterized by patches of dry, red, flaky skin caused by the inflammation and overproduction of skin cells. Those treated with green tea showed slower growth of skin cells and the presence of a gene that regulates the cell's life cycles. Lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Some controlled trials showed that green tea can cause mild reductions in blood sugar levels. It may also lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a disease that has reached epidemic proportions in the past few decades and now afflicts about 400 million people worldwide. This disease involves having elevated blood sugar levels in the context of insulin resistance or an inability to produce insulin. Studies showed that green tea can improve insulin sensitivity in cells so they are better able to metabolize sugar, which reduces blood sugar levels. One study in Japanese individuals found that those who drank the most green tea had a 42% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes according to a review of 7 studies with a total of 286,701 individuals. Green tea drinkers had an 18% lower risk of becoming diabetic. Though the effects and benefits of green tea are derived based on our rate of tea consumption, it is undeniable. We can gain some powerful health benefits by becoming green tea drinkers. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little-known natural remedy to share, leave them in the comments below. If you think this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always tell you when another helpful video comes out. Remember, stay healthy. Stay happy.